Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Wix error 404, page not found. Encountering a 404 error on your Wix site can be incredibly frustrating, not just for you as the site owner, but also for the visitors trying to access your content. Imagine the disappointment of clicking a link only to find a broken page. It's a common issue that can affect the professionalism of your site and the satisfaction of your audience. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with 3 effective strategies to resolve this issue, ensuring your website runs smoothly, maintains its professional appearance, and keeps your visitors happy. Let's dive right into the process, starting from your Wix dashboard. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Site and Mobile. This is where you'll find essential tools that help in organizing your site and making it easily discoverable by search engines and users alike. Next, scroll down until you spot the SEO and Geo section. Within this area, locate the URL Redirect Manager and click on it. This clever tool allows you to redirect traffic from an old or broken URL to a new functioning one. Imagine it as forwarding your mail to a new address after moving. You want your visitors to end up in the correct location. To create a redirect, start by selecting the option to create a new redirect. Let's illustrate this with a practical example. Suppose your original URL was home, but you've since updated the page address to home-1. In the Redirect Manager, you would enter the old URL as home and then specify the new destination, home-1. Once you've set this up, make sure to click Save. This small step is crucial as it ensures that anyone trying to access the old address will be seamlessly taken to the right page, effectively eliminating the dreaded 404 error. Now, if the redirect solution doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to check your page permissions. Sometimes, the page exists, but visitors can't view it due to restrictive settings. Head back to your dashboard and this time, choose Pages and Menu. Locate the page that's causing the 404 error. You might notice a small warning icon next to it. Click on the 3 tiny dots beside the page listing, then select Settings. Here, you'll want to examine the permissions. Ensure that the page is accessible to everyone. If it's restricted to just admin or members, most visitors will encounter a 404 message. Simply switch the setting to everyone, and you're good to go. Keep in mind that it might take a little time for Wix to update this change, so if it doesn't happen instantly, don't panic. If you've tried both of these options and still face challenges, there's another technique that can often work wonders. Consider creating a duplicate of the problematic page. Give this new version a simple, clear name, then delete the original. Occasionally, pages can become stubbornly stuck within Wix's system, and starting afresh can provide your site with a clean slate. Once you've replaced the troublesome page with its duplicate, your links should function without a hitch. And there you have it, 3 comprehensive methods to fix Wix 404 page not found errors. Whether through creating smart redirects, updating permissions, or giving your page a fresh start. We sincerely hope this walkthrough helps you keep your website running smoothly and free from frustration. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to fix Wix error 404 page not found. If you want more videos like how to fix Wix error 404 page not found, subscribe to our channel PMN Online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Should you have any questions or wish to share your own experiences with Wix 404 errors, please leave a comment below. I make sure to read every one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on PMN Online.